Hello, everybody. Yeah, welcome to a quick update. I got asked a lot of questions about the membership tiers in the last few days, and I want to just give you guys a video overview of what's included in the different tiers, so that everybody who's maybe joined via the basic tier also understands what's actually happening in the higher time frame tiers, in the higher tiers, and the other way around in case you want to downgrade maybe what you might not see anymore. So there were quite a few questions over the last few days about that. So I wanted just to take you through the Discord server here. You might not see all these channels because some of them only I see. Some of them really depend on your tier. But in the foundational basic tier, what you get included is the daily update on the S&P 500, the E-mini chart, the NASDAQ. Yeah, just to point that out, originally when we launched the membership, the NASDAQ wasn't even included, also not the ES. That was just added, as an additional bonus, you could say, over time, and it's kind of become a regular thing. I'm not promoting this really too much, but yeah, this is actually just in addition to what it was originally. So there's an ES and an NQ update every day together with the SPX, as you know, plus daily updates of stocks. There are 4 stocks that are updated on a daily basis and 4 each day. Yeah, so that throughout the week we have all of these 20 updated. Plus, and that's also an additional bonus I added over time, silver updates, gold updates, platinum updates, palladium updates. This is what's included in basic. Plus, actually our announcements channel, so I would pay attention to that as well. Always important announcements, scam warnings, and so on. And the daily member video is here. Yeah, that is sometimes there are bonus updates as well. But basically, this gives you the updates for the stocks and the indices. And you can also see a link here to the public videos. Sometimes these are member only as well. If they are, I put it here like the last gold update was a member video. So if you see a video on YouTube that shows member only and you can't access it, you can always access it from Discord. Then there are also additional educational sections here that you can explore. Basic and charts, I'm not going to click on it, but you have the additional section here, the Tradingview chart section, where I've listed all these charts, plus many other charts actually, of stocks that I'm updating more or less regularly. I can't keep them all up to date. I do keep the 20 up to date, plus the index charts, plus gold, silver, platinum, palladium. There are many more that I added over time because they were requested that still show pretty much up-to-date wave counts, but I can't keep them all up-to-date because, again, those were additional bonus ones. But yeah, you get access to all the TradingView live charts and you can copy them into your TradingView and so on. That's included in basic and charts. What's included in professional, and this is the highest tier, actually, I'm going to skip advanced at the moment to be able to explain it better. But in professional, which is a very limited tier, we now have 60 spaces available. I think 55 are occupied at the moment. In this tier, this is the highest tier, you get, well, all of this anyway, plus you get the option to request 2 charts per week. It could be any asset class, okay? So basically you get around about 8 to 10, depending on how many weeks the month has, 8 to 10 additional updates for stocks or cryptos or whatever you like to see per month. The idea behind this was to make it more personalized, yeah, because when you're offering a membership, it's hardly personalized. So the professional tier is personalized, right? But I post these replies and charts for the benefit of everybody in professional. So you see how many there are. There are so many additional stocks. It's incredible. I'm not even counting. I think I'm covering like 100 plus stocks per week in addition. So it's a lot, right? It is a lot. This is just one aspect, okay? Because yes, you get these, but plus every professional member can request in our weekly live stream. There's a live stream every week that happens, yeah, where you can attend live, you can ask questions, and you can request 2 additional stocks, okay? So actually you get twice the amount of requests because you can request additional ones for the Wednesday live session, and the recording is always available. And then I post the timestamps afterwards, and you see I also highlight when there is a 1-2 setup. So again, I don't know how many there are. I'm not counting, but for sure there are 100 plus stocks per week for professional members. That's a lot, okay? So you get this, the weekly webinar, plus the option to request stocks in the webinar, plus the option to request stocks in the normal process. Plus, there are even additional stocks that I'm posting that are not requested. Sometimes they are, but they are just additional, just things that I see that I'm covering in addition. So there are even more updates, okay? And again, there are usually I post it, like if there's a 1-2 setup, I post it, right? And so yeah, so there's a lot going on there. Now, why did I cover professional before advanced? Because advanced. Oh, by the way, you also have access to the chat room. The idea behind all of this was that basic members don't get access to the chat room. The reason is capacity, right? If we have a chat room, it needs to be monitored. And so I always, this membership was going to restrict kind of chat room access to the higher tiers just so I can manage it better. It just has to do with capacity. So professional members can access the chat room and advanced members as well. Okay, but I wanted to cover professional first because it's then easier to explain advanced. Advanced members basically get everything that professional members get. So you see all the updates, but you cannot request the updates. Okay, and you cannot attend the live session, but you can access the recording. So you still get all these updates, you just can't request charts. Okay, I mean, you can still, ask for something for me to cover in the chat room, but I have to stick to the normal process. Sometimes I do it when I have a moment because I'm always too kind. I always try to cover as many as possible. But yeah, sometimes that means I fall a bit behind with the updated requests. But I think it's a plenty of value. And I mean, what can I say? This is everything, and it's a lot. And I constantly try to give even more value. I've even tried to cover copper now here in the additional one section more or less regularly. But the idea is if you have an asset class that you want to see covered, let's say more or less regularly, yeah, the best way to do it is join professional tier. And then you can basically request this every week for me to cover, right? So this is the way I think that you can't get more personalization, I think, in a membership like that. But because it's a membership, we still keep it for everybody's benefit. So these updates are posted for everybody. So I really hope that gives an idea of what the membership is about. Many of you have asked for me to explain how the Patreon memberships work. These are different from the YouTube memberships. YouTube memberships are simply supporter memberships on YouTube. The Patreon link takes you actually to the Discord server, and this is where everything's happening. YouTube is kind of membership light, yeah, because some people don't want to join Patreon. Some people just want to support the channel on YouTube directly. Some people just want to support because even for the public videos, yeah, I mean, pretty much daily silver updates, for example, or gold updates. That's what many legacy providers, Elliott Wave analysts charge you $50 to $100 per month for. It is what it is, and you get that all for free. So some people just want to give back through the because otherwise it's not sustainable, right? I mean, we have a team and everything, a small team, yes, but let's be honest, you can't live from YouTube ad revenue. It just doesn't work. But again, I appreciate everybody who's member, and therefore you get a lot of stuff for incredible value, in my opinion. And if you want to join, you can always cancel, every single month. You can cancel. There's no unless you join as an annual member, but then you get a discount. So it's, feel free to check it out if you like to. Thanks so much. Wish you a great day. Bye-bye.